we are playing the Lucky Ducky. $100 in. Hit the max bet, see what happens. Mix bars. Okay. Shoot duckies. Could have gave me a step ladder, but all right. Come on, something. Mix bars, not even. Ah, oh, come on, Ducky. Face on the line, not even. Let me bet $1 real quick. Okay. Something. Okay. Come on, let me shoot ducks. Mix bars. I don't think I haven't hit the red screen yet. Mix bars. There you go. Now face mix bars or postage stamps. Okay. Caught my red screen. Now I'll do it again. Now single, single, single. Okay. That was nice little action. Just need to get it up to the 200 marker. Face on the line. Nope. Mix bars. Okay. Got the red screen. All we need left is a shooting duck session. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Damn, these bingo card looks ugly. Face off the line. Not even. Man, we're like 20 something dollars away from a double up. Now I'm gonna get back to my 100. If I get back to 100, jump onto another machine. Mix bars. Okay. Face on the line. Come on. Come on. Didn't want to go red for mixed bars, okay? I was hoping to shoot some ducks. Go red. Now mixed bars, and that's about it. I was hoping I was wrong. Usually right though. Still haven't shot ducks though. Come on, right here. No? Okay, got 4 more pushes. If nothing happens, guys, we're going to jump onto another machine and try and find a double up from there. Man, if only that would have dropped, bro. Game over. Come on, 5 pushes or we're running. Right here. Go red? No? And last push. Mixed bars. Should have went red for a step ladder too, but alright. Come on, Ducky. Need you to do something, bro. Right here, come on. Go red. Okay, got mixed bars, maybe single, single, single. T? Shoot duckies? Oh, no. Alright. Face on the line? Not even. Okay. Where's the shooting ducks at? Do it again.
We'd like to
No?
congratulate Patricia. She's our Lily Classic winner, winning $50 in free play.
Come on, baby. You do it right here, please. Go red. Ooh, we got the peace sign. Triple, triple, triple. We get to shoot ducks. Hopefully it's 120 credits. Nah, damn it. Only 30. Even though the peace sign was out there. Cross corners. Okay. Yeah, triple, I mean, peace signs and T's were out there, but oh well. Got the red screen, shot some ducks, so the only thing missing is a double up. Come on, Ducky. Right here, mixed bars. Nope, stupid sevens. Something. Come on. Mixed bars. Maybe triple, triple, triple. Stay. Triple, 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 baby. Okay. Okay. Whatever that means. Now give me the triple, triple, triple. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bam! Man, that was a nice, beautiful multiple red screen, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Nice. Mixed bars. Not even okay. You bet $1 real quick. Don't do nothing. Okay, that's good. Come on. Can't even give me a face on the line. Right here. Face on the line or mixed bars? Or nothing. Alright. How about now? Come on, either get it up to 400 or I'll cash out at 300. I got 3 more spins after this one. Mixed bars? No? Alright. Final push. Do something, Ducky, or I'll run. Alright, I'm running. Alright, there you guys go. $100 in, $300 out. Thank you so much, Lucky Ducky. Good times, baby.